Man, what's happening with y'all? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Man, it was the morning after the Mary J. Blige concert, man. And they called me, texted me this morning, and was like, hey, man, we ain't really got nothing going on, so take yourself a day. Okay. Well, let's do that then. So, I don't know what today is going to bring. I'm going to do everything in my power to find something to do productive, man, to, you know what I'm saying, try to get me closer and closer to my goal, man, of owning my own, being on my own, as far as business goes. And, yeah, just trying to, man, you know, just trying to make it, be successful. So, y'all know what to do down here. Comment, like, share, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just got back to the house, man. Just dropped off the duty, man. And, yeah. Finna see what kind of productive things I can get into today. Need to go work out somewhere. It might be the start or something. Yeah. Yo. What y'all got going on, man? Yes, sir, man. We back with another one. I did a little something productive today, so what happened? That's a gray hair, huh? So what happened was, we ended up taking my mother-in-law to a doctor's appointment over in Arkansas. So I didn't vlog anything. We just rolled out there and kicked it and chill. We made some TikTok videos and all that good stuff. But what I'm coming to y'all with tonight, man. So I've had the taper in for a week. So I think it's safe for me to go ahead and put the plug in. That's the top joints. Top plug. Go ahead and put the plugs in. And yeah. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna rock with them for 30 days. It's the same size, so the time don't go back. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm doing this. Now I don't know how this is gonna go because I'm gonna have to put the plug on top of the taper and push the taper through so that the plug will be on top of it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see how that's gonna work. If not, then I'm just gonna have to take it out and do it that way. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? This is the journey, man. This is the journey. Before I get too big though, I'm gonna go and get this stitched up. You know what I'm saying? Go and get my ear stitched up so I won't have no problems when I go bigger. So yeah, I'm about to get my jojoba oil and I'm gonna clean around here real good. You know what I'm saying? Clean around here. Then get my jojoba oil, man. Put it on there. And we're gonna try to push these plugs through, man. Which they said, they were saying these jumps would be uncomfortable to sleep in, but mine ain't uncomfortable. I've been sleeping in mine, you know what I'm saying? So they ain't been uncomfortable. They long, but they ain't been uncomfortable or nothing like that though. So I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I guess different stuff for different folk. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and try to push these plugs through, man, and come back and let y'all see what we got. Yeah. Nothing's in there, man. Actually, I thought it was gonna be a hassle, but they actually just fell straight through. I know y'all probably can't even see that, but there go the tapers right there. So I'm gonna clean them off, put them back in the pack over there. But yeah, man, these one went in with ease. Matter of fact, as soon as I took the guard off of the taper, and I put the jojoba oil on there, the taper actually started falling through. So I probably could go up a gauge if I wanted to right now, but I ain't gonna rush it. I'm gonna do it by the book. I ain't gonna do that. So yeah, the plugs are in, and yeah. Plugs in. 30 more days, man. We're gonna go up to the next size, which will be 12G. Hit that 12. 30 more days. Then we're gonna, then we're gonna hit that 10. Then we're gonna hit that 8. Then the 6. Then the 4. The 2. 0. Yeah, man. You see what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah. Yeah, man. We in there. We in there. I like when a plan come together. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel, man. Y'all already know how I go, man. Look at here. 35 degrees. With a high of 53. Ooh, Lord. It went from 70 something yesterday to 35 and 53. This why a nigga be sick, man. These little colds and shit, like this why a nigga be sick. But yeah, man. My train ain't came yet. My train filled with the blessings of not having to work for anybody else. They ain't came in yet, so headed to work. Off schedule this morning because that cold kind of blew me. But it's all good. A little late. Like my deal. Oh, they ain't got to deal with it. It don't really matter. But yeah, headed here, man, and yeah, about to get it on. Mine was up. Minute. Honestly, I really don't even care to explain it. But I mean, why not? It's been a few weeks since I uploaded. I got a few videos in my camera, man, that I said I was gonna go ahead and upload. I ain't been live. Like man, I'm trying for real, and it's like, I know for a fact, like my content ain't slow, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know for a fact my content ain't slow, but the way YouTube is pushing it, it's like, why am I even here? You know what I'm saying? Like why am I even here? Like, my views drop. Like, I ain't getting what I was getting when I had less subscribers. I don't really understand thinking like if I even want to continue doing this. Like ain't nothing how it was when I had less subscribers. Like when the grind was on, I don't even think I was posting as much when I had less subscribers. Now I got more subscribers. I'm trying to post more, and it's like this shit falling on his face. So I don't know. Like I said, I don't know how this finna end up. I don't know if I'm gonna continue YouTube or not. I don't know if it could be something that I'm doing, but I've been doing the same thing that, you know what I'm saying, that I was doing when I was getting the views and you know what I'm saying, the shares and all that right there. I was doing the same thing. So I haven't changed up anything other than I post more. So it's almost like I'm doing it for the enjoyment, but at the same time, there's a lot go with it. And I'm seeing like the decrease in what I got going on. It's like, why you decreasing me? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. I'm about to head down to the shop, man. I don't think Memphis Mike here, but I'm gonna see if any of the other guys here. And yeah, because I really had some questions for Terry and Marlon anyway, which I ain't gonna capture that because it is pertaining to my bill. To go down here and holler at them right quick, see what's going on. Need to grab me something to eat because I'm hungry. And yeah, see what kind of intel I can swipe in real quick. Can't do this thing, this 2023 thing a little better than when we first came out. So let me shoot on over here, man, and I might pick the camera back up. I might not. I don't know. Like that's really how I'm feeling right now. But yeah. So I went down to the shop, man, kicked it down there for a hot second. About to go back, but I really I went down there to look at the Caprice that's down there and look at my doors. Man, these doors all jacked up. Like this space ain't supposed to be in here. That door over there that's closing good, it's offline. Like everything's supposed to be laying down. Like none of this is laying down. So this door, I think, like what I was saying earlier, it gotta come, maybe not back, but definitely like this. Same on that door over there. So all of the doors are off, which I should have knew that. I was talking about it wasn't closed because of the weather stripping, but yeah, man, all these doors off. So and being that this door has to come back this way and lay in, I'm gonna have to start with this door on this side, cause this door off. So I'm about to start with this door so it can lay back and the space can be, you know what I'm saying, minimized in here, cause I ain't supposed to be seeing none of this according to the Chevy down there at the shop. So I guess I'll start doing that. And I'm gonna eventually I'm gonna go ahead and do a video, man, of everything that needs to be done to the Chevy without giving y'all too many of, you know what I'm saying, the upgrades was gotta be, you know what I'm saying, what was coming for next year. But yeah, so interior stuff, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying, like I'm gonna give all that. These seats gotta come out. Carpet stand, seats gotta come out so I can, you know what I'm saying, get some other stuff done. Might be changing the shifter, not sure. But yeah, stuff like that. Steering column gotta be rebuilt. Gonna do something with that. Yeah, so really just wanted to go ahead and tell y'all this since I'm up with the camera or whatever. But definitely gotta get these doors lined up. But yeah, so with that being said, man, I'm finna go in here. I gotta run something somewhere real quick. So I'm going here and handle that business. And when I go back to the shop, I might pick the camera back up. Holler at Marlon them or whatever.